WhatsApp call history not showing on iPhone. Here is how to fix it. Sometimes you may want to have access to your WhatsApp call history on your device on iPhone and you are unable to get it. Then here is a simple thing you need to do, guys, to fix it. First, open the settings app on your device. Scroll down to the base of this page, tap on app. Now scroll down till you get to WhatsApp app on your device. Now tap on it. Once you tap on it, go ahead and tap on contacts. Once you tap on contact, if it is unknown or limited access, you don't have access to the call history on your WhatsApp. So tap on it. If it's unknown, make sure you tap on full access. Then tap on allow full access. Then this should fix this problem of WhatsApp call not showing on your call history. And if that does not fix, then let's move on to the next step. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon again. From here, go ahead and tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll up and tap on WhatsApp from the list of apps you have on your device. Now tap on offload. Now tap on offload again and offload this and restore this. Then this should fix the issue of WhatsApp call history not showing on your iPhone. The next step is to tap on this setting button again. Then go ahead and tap on your iCloud option or your iCloud name. Tap on it. Now scroll up, guys, and tap on this button that says iCloud. Now see tap on all. Once you tap on all, scroll down until you get to WhatsApp. So if this button is toggle off, tap on it, then toggle it on again. If it is off, tap on it and make sure you toggle it on. This should fix WhatsApp call history not showing on iPhone. The last but not least on this setting is to go to this your iPhone settings again and tap on it, and be sure that you are running the latest version of iOS. So go ahead and tap on general. From there, tap on software update. Now if you have any latest version of your iOS device here that is not running your device, go ahead and turn it on, or go ahead and update your device to the latest version of the iOS. So with these settings, guys, you'll be able to fix WhatsApp call history not showing on iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.